Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard Enimun Airlines Flight 2016. We would like to give you some safety information about your conference. First of all, please turn off all your electronic devices. If you are in your committee rooms and are stuck in what you're going to say, you may use the following exits. The following behavior will not be accepted in our conference: throwing paper airplanes at your fellow delegates, asking trivial questions like, "Is Africa a country? Yes." Arriving at the conference with informal attire. Violating admin rights. Please ensure that you take all your personal belongings when leaving the committee rooms. May we remind you that this is a non-smoking flight. Our very special first newspapers can be found under your seat. Please be sure to take them home. Thank you for your attention.